Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves probability. I recommend pausing this video and solving the problem on your own, then comparing your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. On a music streaming service, there are 7.56 times 10 to the power of 5 free songs and 1.32 times 10 to the power of 6 paid songs. If a user selects a song randomly, which of the following is the best estimate of the probability of it being free? Well, the probability of selecting a free song is the ratio of the number of the free songs to the total number of all the songs, which is F plus P. We know that there are 7.56 times 10 to the power of 5 free songs and 1.32 times 10 to the power of 6 paid songs. Now we see here we've got 10 to the power of 5s and here power of 6. We can rewrite this number as 13.2 times 10 to the power of 5. You see, I've reduced the power from 6 to 5, which is taking 10 out here and multiplied this number by 10 to get 13.2. Now we've got just powers of 5. We can simplify 10 to the power of 5s to get 7.56 divided by 7.56 plus 13.2 gives us 20.76. If you evaluate this expression using a calculator, you get approximately 0.36, which is 36%, and that's it. The answer is B. Great. That's a typical problem that you may encounter on the ACT math test that involves probability. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.